Get it out, put it to rest. Let's create. I have a 10-ounce grass-fed ribeye steak, and I'm going to cook it with some angel hair, some pasta, and I'm going to add some spice to it. And this is going to be very simple, okay? So the garlic is going to serve two different purposes. So purpose number one, for that purpose, I'm going to grind it, and I will show you what I'm going to use this for soon, okay? So I'm going to grind some of it, a couple of them only. And the others are going to do is just going to smash them. Cut them some chunks. Doesn't have to be pretty. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these ones too, okay? So I have about a tablespoon and a half of butter. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start creating a sort of butter mix. And what I'm going to do with that, I'm going to put some salt, just a pinch or two. And I'm going to get the garlic, a couple of teeth that I mix. And I'm going to mix it up by breaking this down. And you do this for a minute or so, just breaking it down. And then you put it aside, okay? This is going to be your butter mix. So I have my caldero, my pot, a cast pot. And I have it at high heat with water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the pasta first because it takes a little bit longer to prepare. The thing about the ribeye, which is only 10 ounces, it's going to take me somewhere between 4, if that, minutes, worst case 6 minutes. So let me start getting the stuff ready. And I like to use a little bit of extra virgin olive oil because I don't want them to stick together, okay? I have a small pot here, and I'm going to put some butter. It's about 3, maybe 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And I'm going to melt it first, okay? Actually, let me put 5. I have it at medium heat, melted. So what I'm going to do, that garlic that I showed you earlier, the chunks, I'm going to add them. I'm going to add some dry parsley. Mix it up. I'm going to let it go for about 3 or 4 minutes, okay? Making some sort of garlic sauce. Cast iron or any type of pan. Some extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit, few drops. I'm going Italian. Preheat. Add your ribeye. This is about maybe 3/4 of an inch, half an inch. So I'm going to let it go for a couple minutes, one side, before I flip it. Couple minutes later, let's flip it. What I'm going to do now, very quickly, put some butter on the side. And I'm going to use some of my mixed butter. And I'm going to put it on top with the garlic. This one was regular butter, unsalted. And this one is my mix with the garlic and stuff like that. Grab a little spoon. And that butter I'm going to cook maybe for a minute and a half. Let me get the juices, the butter. Get it out. Put it to rest. So what I'm going to do, I turned this off already. It's been off about 2 minutes. What I'm going to do, straight out from the pot, I'm going to get my pasta. I'm going to get that fat and stuff from it. You don't leave it here for a long time, just leave it for a few seconds. Take it out, transfer to a plate almost immediately. Do the same with the other one. Kind of giving them a bath, giving them a bath. Absorbing the meat, the butter. Then transfer so they don't get burnt into a plate. It's that simple, okay? It's that simple. Now it's time to do the garlic butter mix. Strain a little bit out. You don't have to go crazy. Just adding that garlic flavor to it. Mix it up. Then what you're going to do for the final touch, look at this pasta. For the final touch, all you do is you're going to sprinkle it, okay? With some dry parsley. Just some sprinkling. Make it look pretty. And I have some dry red pepper. Just sprinkle a little bit of that too. Give it a kick. Red pepper. That dry one, the seeds and stuff.